What a disaster. So this happened this morning. Probably last night from all this rain. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Spoke to the landlord this morning. He's gonna come over and replace the sump pump. Oh my gosh, it's still wet too. Let's see what else. It's not so bad, but I mean, still gotta clean up the mess. So the sump pump's over here. Yeah. My day today, guys. Anyone else having a rough Monday? Man, this is crazy. We just moved this couch and the TV down here a couple days ago because we got a new set on new furniture. Damn, this is crazy. So, going back to work, guys. Yeah. Everyone else having a case of Mondays?